there, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to explain left anti-join. In the last video, I demonstrate how you do left semi-join, which is the opposite of left anti-join. So the left semi-join return the left table and it returns the matching record between the left table and the right table in the left data frame. So this is the result, right? So we have this left data frame and this right data frame. And in this right data frame, you can see the department number 426. And so as you can see in the left table, we have the department number 4, 2, and 6, right? It returns those records in the left table. You can see the right column is not part of this data frame that is returned. So we are going to do the opposite of this today, right? So instead of returning the matching record between the right and the left data frame, right? In the left data frame. So we want to return the records that are not matching between both tables in the left data frame. So this is how it's done. We're going to create a new data frame here called no employee department. Say for example, you can think of it as an HR that want to check which employee that hasn't been assigned or employees that haven't been assigned to the department. So we want to return those employees that don't have the department number. So this is what we're trying to do here. So we say employee df dot join department df. Department df is the right table. Then I'll say employee df, then the column name, which is department number, equal to department df, which is the same column name, department number. Or you can do it this way because the column name are the same on both tables, so you can put sequence here. So that is quicker. Then we want to, our join type is going to be left anti-join, left anti. So we can now say no employee department df dot show. So let's run this. Okay, so now this is the result for the left semi-join, right? And for the left anti-join, this is the result we've got. You can see if you go through this department number, right, you can see the record in the right table is not here, because in the right table, right, we have the department number 426, right? So we have this department number, and if you check the after we've done the anti-join, right, if you check the return data frame, those records are not there. So that's why it's called left anti-join. So it basically return only the record that are not matching the right table, right? So it return those records. Basically, to return the left table, but only those records that are not matching. That is it for this video, right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, leave a comment. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.